Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unclog a bathroom sink. And so the first thing you need to do is just remove this stopper right here. Just remove it. And see, this is the pipe that come down like this. This is called the P-trap right here. This is a P-trap. So the purpose of the P-trap is, the main purpose is to prevent sewer odor from coming up to your bathroom. And the other second purpose is to trap all the hair or anything that drop down, that actually you accidentally drop down the pipe. So we collect right there. And this is a very useful tool. I have a perfect tool for this to remove all the hair, anything that trap in that P-trap. And this is called the little weasle. You can buy this from Home Depot and or Walmart right here. They sell it, not really expensive at all, about $4 or $5. And the handle is very flexible, so you can the little tip right here have a little velcro on. So when you put down the drain, it will catch all the hair, anything that clogged up in that P-trap. So let's, and the second thing is have a pair of gloves. You don't want to get your hands dirty. It's going to be really dirty. Just put it down there. And just twist it. Use your hand, just twist it. This is a very, very useful tool. So as you can see right here, look at the Velcro, what the Velcro caught right there. You see that? Nasty stuff. So just take a piece of paper towel, just got some hair in there, got some other stuff in there, like it's very nasty, smell nasty too. That's why you should have a pair of gloves on. Very nasty. Just keep doing it. Just keep. All right, going down again. Use your hand to twist it. Yeah, this is long enough to get into that P-trap. Look at more coming out. See, nasty, really nasty. You've got hair and everything. All right. Doing it again. Just run it and twist it. Use your finger, just twist it. Oh, that's coming out. You see that? Nasty, nasty stuff. So, all right. Oh my God, look at this. See this? That's clogged up your sink easily. Look at that. All this jar, all this, I don't know what it is in there. Look at that. So that take that paper towel and just clean it, and just repeating the process over and over again until you, okay. Oh, more. Oh my God, look at this. More and more coming out. All right. You got the idea. Keep twisting it. I lost there's two sections to this one, and there's a handle that I lost the other section, so I only have one section left. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, nasty, nasty stuff. Oh, more coming out. The next step is to pour some baking soda down there. So you pour about half a cup of baking soda down the drain, and then pour some white vinegar. It's about a cup of white vinegar. So it's about half a cup of that. Pour directly into the drain. Right there. All right. Just pour about a cup of vinegar down there. All right, you see that? All right. Let it do its magic and just let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes now, so the last step is to pour hot water into the sink. Just pour directly into the sink. That's it. You see that? So you can see that your drain is unclogged. It's as easy as that. And it smells pretty good too now since you put the baking soda and vinegar down there. So you don't have that like stinky smell anymore. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something here. And if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.